any inconvenience caused.
Look, you might think I'm showing you just pictures of trains. I've got some specific trains, but no, what you're seeing is evidence of the contribution we make to the Melbourne transport infrastructure. And here's the people that benefit from it, basically. We're surrounded by it. I'm not recording your voice or anything. Waterman, yes, I'm a transport consultant to the government. It's my job to act as a liaison between STM, Asia Pacific and the government of Victoria and the Transport Minister in particular to advise on the timeline and make sure that everything to do with the contract that's been awarded to this firm, that the timeline's being met. So it's my pleasure to welcome you today as a visitor and investor from interstate and overseas. We'll be taking a short tour of the site. So if you'll come with me, we'll start right now. This ends our tour for today. We hope you've enjoyed this insight into the state government's preparation, your investment money is being spent. And if you need any answer more questions, my name's Waterman. You can contact me via the Department of Transport or STM Asia Pacific's construction. What you'll see behind this door is some ongoing work, preparatory work where economic conservation, the work's already started. What the workers are doing behind these doors is preparing it. Look, you might think I'm showing you just pictures of trains. I've got some specific trains, but no.
We apologise for any inconvenience caused.